Welcome dear students, myself Purushottam Pathak. Today I will explain you exercise 8.2 of your NCERT Maths for Standard 7. Come to the exercise 8.2, look at the first sum that is in the page number 164 of your NCERT Maths book. In the first number, you are asked to convert the given fractional number 2%. To convert the fractional number 2%, we need to multiply those numbers by 100. That is 1 by 8, 1 by 8. We will solve it. 1 by 8 equals to 1 by 8 into 100%. Of course, if you reduce it to the lowest term, 4 2s are 8 and 4 25s are 100. So 25 by 2, that can be written as 12.5%. Now in the B number, similarly it's 5 by 4. You will solve 5 by 4 as 5 by 4 equals to 5 by 4 into 100%. 4 25s 100. So 25 into 5, it will be 125%, and so on. C and D also you can solve similarly. In the C number, directly I am solving here. 3 by 40 into 100%, that will be equals to, if you reduce it to the lowest term, it will be 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 15 by 2%, that you can write as 7.5% also. Now similarly, in the D number also you can conclude it to be 2 by 7 into 100%. See, 100 into 2, that is 200 by 7%. It's not easy to find the decimal expansion, so we will find it as mixed fraction. 7 2s are 24, 7 2s are 14 and 6 is left there. 7 8s are 56, 4 is left here. 7 5s are 35, 5 is left there. 7 7s are 49, 1 is left there, and so on. Instead of writing this dot dot dot, it would be better if you write 28 whole. What was left there? If you go to the rough and divide 200 by 7, you will get 7 2s are 14, 6 0, 7 4s are 7 8s are 56, 4 is left. So we can write it as 28 whole 4 by 7%. See, in this way complete the one number. Now come to the two number sum. Second sum is there in the next page, that is in the page number 165, and in this sum you are asked to convert the given decimal fractions into percent. See the first one, 0.65. To convert this decimal fraction to percent, we will write 65 by 100 into 100%. That will be 65%. Similarly, convert the decimal number to the fractional number and multiply by 100. This will be the percentage of the decimal number. Similarly, in the 2.1, you will write 21 by 10. Only one decimal was there, into 100% and solve it. You will get it to be 210%. Now, in the C number also you will get 0.02, that is 2 by 100 into 100%. course 100 are cut off, you got only 2%. And in the D number also 12.35 can be written as 1235 by 100 into 100%. That will be equals to 1235%. Complete the 2 number sum like this. Come to the 3 number sum now. In the 3 number sum, figure is given there and you are asked to find the percent which is colored. As you had learned in the fraction chapter, that thing you will remind and solve it easily in the not A number, it's the Roman one. In the first sum, if you imagine about this figure and complete the partition of the figure, you will realize that only one portion out of 4 is shaded there. 3 parts are not shaded. So the fraction will be estimate which part of the figure is colored and find the percent which is colored. The portion is 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 4 into 100%. That will be equals to 25%. Similarly, in the second one, you will get that the figure is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. And 3 parts are shaded there. 2 parts are not shaded, so we will write it as fraction 3 by 5. That will be equals to 3 by 5 into 100%. That equals to 5, 20 is 100. So 20 into 3, you will get 60%. Similarly, if you look at the third sum, there are total 8 parts are there. Out of 8 parts, we can see that only 3 parts, these 3 parts are shaded. So we can write in fraction 3 by 8, and to write it as fraction, to convert it as percentage, we will multiply 3 by 8 into 100%. You will get 4 2s are 8 and 4 25s are 100. So 25 into 3, that is 75 by 2%. You can keep it like this also, or you can write it as 37.5% or 37 whole 1 by 2%. Whatever you like, you can use. In this way, complete the 3 number sum and come to the 4 number sum now. See, in the 4 number, numbers are given and you are asked to find the given percentage of the given number. That you had already done these things in the previous classes also. Come, in the 4 number sum from page number 165, first one, it's 15% of 250. That will be 15 by 100 of 250. You can reduce that 52s are 100 or 55s are 55s are 250. So it became 15 5s are 75 by 2. That we can write it as, in decimal we can write it as 37.5 also. Whatever you want, you can write. In the B number, it is 1% of 1 hour. Of course, you know, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So 1/100 of 60 minutes we can write here. It will be 6/10 minute. You can convert it to second also into 60. That means 10, 6 just 60. That will be 36 seconds. Either you can write 6/10 minute or 36 seconds. Both are applicable here. Come to the C number. Still 4 number sum is going on. C of 4. I will explain now. In the C, you are asked to find 20% of rupees 2500. That will be 20/100 of rupees 2500. Upon reducing to the lowest term, you will get 25 into 2, that is rupees 50. Now, no, 25 into 20 rupees 500. Now come to the D number. 75% of 1 kg, that is 75/100 of, you can write 1 kg as 1000 gram for convenience, and these two zeros are reduced now, so you will get here 75 into 10, that is 750 gram. Complete the 4 number. Now come to the 5 number sum. In the 5th sum, from the same page, that is page number 165, find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600. Let the whole quantity be x. Then in the first number, not first, that is A number, according to question, 5/100 of x equals to 600. Now easily you can find the x, or x equals to 600 into 100/5. 520 is 100, that is 1200. Similarly, in the B number, according to question, we can write 12% of x. 12/100 of x equals to rupees 1080. See, the x will be equals to rupees 1080 into 100/12, and 1290 is 1080. So the whole quantity will be, therefore x will be 100 into 90, that is rupees 9000. Now similarly, look at the C number sum. In the C number, 40% of x. So we will write 40/100 of x equals to 500 kilometer. See, that means x equals to 500 kilometer into 100 by 40. Now 4 into 500 you will get 100. 500 divided by 4 you will get 125. Now 125 into 10 will be 1250 kilometer. Come to the D number now. In the D, 70% of x is given. So 70 by 100 of x equals to 14 minutes. So x will be 14 minutes into 100 by 70, and 7 2s are 14, so you will get therefore x equals to 10 into 2, that is 20 minutes. Similarly, E number is also there. 8% is given, means 8 by 100 of x equals to 40 liter, 40 L. We can find x equals to 40 liters into 100 by 8. See, 4 2s are 8, 4 10s are 40, and 2 1s are 2, 2 50s are 100. So you will get 50 into 10, that is 500 liter. Complete the 5 number sum and now proceed to the 6 number. See, in the 6 number sum, percentage are given. You are asked to convert them into fractions, decimal fractions, and also to fractions in simplest form. So in the page number 165, look at the first sum, that is 25%. 25% can be written as 25 by 100, that will be 0.25. This was the decimal conversion. And also to the fraction in simplest form, so 25 by 100 can be written as 25 ones are 24, 25 and 25 fours are 100, so 1 by 4. Similarly in the B number also, it's 150%. 150% can be written as 150 by 100, that will be 1.50. And 150 by 100 in the simplest form will be written as 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10, so it will be 3 by 2. Similarly, C number, it's 20%. 20% can be written as 20 by 100, that will be 0.2. And if you convert it to the simplest form, 20 by 100 is 21s are 20, 25s are 100, so it will be 1 by 5. It was C number. Similarly, I am solving the D number at the top. See, the D number is 5%. That will be 5 by 100, that you can write 0.05. And 5 by 100 in the simplest form can be written as 5 ones are 5 and 5 20s are 100, so 1 by 20. Complete this sum. Now come to the next sum, that is 7 number sum. It's so simple sum. You know the whole quantity is always 100. So in this sum, see, you are asked in a city 30% are male, 40%, 30% are female, 40% are males, and remaining are children. What percent are children? See, percentage of children equals to, see, 100% minus the percentage of female 30% plus percentage of male, that was 40%. Take the sum of 30% and 40%, you will get 70%. So 100% minus 70%, it's 30%. It was nothing but simple subtraction. Complete it. Now proceed to the 8 number. In the 8 number, see, out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters he did not vote. Percentage of voters who did not vote. It will be, see, the whole is always 100%. So we will write it 100 minus 60%. That will be, as 60% have voted, so it will be 40%. Now, number of voters are also asked. Number of voters equals to, it is 40% of 15,000. So we will write 40% of 15,000. That will be 40 by 100 of 15,000, and it comes to 150 into 40, 6,000 voters. This will be your answer. Come to the 9 number sum now. In the 9 number, it's given Meeta saves rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? 10% of salary is rupees 400. So let the salary to be X. Let Meeta's salary be X. It was S, salary. According to question, it's 10% of X equals to rupees 400. Very easily you can solve this to find X. X equals to rupees 400 into 100 by 10 now. Now, therefore, X equals to rupees 4,000. Now, in the 10 number sum, it's also very simple. Our local cricket team played 20 matches in one session. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? Number of matches won by the team. That will be, it is 25% of 20 matches. So we will write 25% of 20 matches. That is 25 by 100 of 20 matches, and 25s are 100 and 5s are 25. That is equals to 5 matches. Complete the exercise. It was last sum. In the next class, we will proceed to 8.3. Thank you very much.